Hey, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to make French toast. It's a very easy breakfast dish that is fancy, you can easily impress people with this dish, and it's a step up from basic pancakes. Also, keep in mind that this recipe is a little more special than a regular one. The first thing you gotta do is choosing your bread. It doesn't matter which kind you use, just try to get a loaf that is unsliced so you can slice your own. We're going for thick slices. Also, I left out my bread in the open air for a day so it would dry out. I'll explain later why I did that. And the next thing is custard. Just a simple recipe: eggs, heavy cream, cinnamon, and some vanilla extract. My heavy cream was already sweetened, so if you're using a plain heavy cream, then add some sugar. Whisk them together until no streak of egg remain and it's homogeneous. Now it's time to dip our bread. I let my bread to dry out so it doesn't get soggy when I dip it into the custard. Dip each side of the bread for a second or two. We are almost done already. Place your non-stick pan over medium heat and melt some butter. When it's hot enough, drop in the French toast and let it fry for around 3 minutes until both sides are golden brown. For garnish, I'm using a banana, but you can use any other fruits that you want. I thought bananas would go well with my special ingredient. Finally, the last step, throw everything on the plate and drizzle some hazelnut praline and maple syrup. The hazelnut praline was my special ingredient. This just brings everything up to another level. And you can't call it brunch if there's no alcohol. I'm making mimosa, my favorite. Pour some prosecco and some orange juice. That's still too much orange juice. Just kidding. Thank you for watching, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.